Down there. Yeah.
Wow. We are here na. Nasa taas na talaga tayo.
Oh wow, that's also nice.
Yeah. Wow. There's somebody coming. Oh. Traffic eh. Standby muna kami sa may gilid-gilid. Kasi mahirap nakitid yung daan eh. So, kita mo yung daan na yan. Ayan. So, makitid. So, kailangan padaanin muna sila. Kasi nandito kami sa mayroong konting flat. Doon wala eh. Wala, may uwak doon oh. Where they are na?
They go it up. Okay, let's go.
No, we wait there. We was there.
No, stay that up.
Huh? Where they are? You go na. You go first, my love. Yan, lakad na kami. Cut ko muna ng video. Mahirap mag